In this video, we're going to learn how to divide a number by powers of either 10 or 0.1. These divisions occur really often in math, and so it's a good idea to learn how to do these separately. So first we're going to talk about how to divide by a power of 10. So examples of this would be 10, or 100, or 1,000, and so on. The first step is to count the number of zeros that appear. Then move the decimal point left by the same number of places. Okay. First one, 1.63 divided by 1,000. So we count the number of zeros. In this problem we have 1, 2, 3 zeros. So we're going to take 1.63 and we're going to move this guy left 1, 2, 3 spaces. That means we're going to need to add 2 zeros there. So the answer is 0.00163. Not too bad, right? Let's look at the next one. 27 divided by 100. Now in this problem, there is no decimal place, at least not one that we can see. I count 2 zeros. Now there's always a decimal place, so if you can't see it, that means it's all the way to the right. So divided by 100 means to move back 1, 2 spaces, right? 2 zeros. So we end up with 0.27. Now, the other case, dividing by a power of 0.1, that means you have something smaller than 1, like 0.1, 0.01, 0.001, and so on. What you want to do for these is you want to count the number of decimal places. That just means count how many digits fall to the right of the decimal point. Step 2, you're going to move the decimal point to the right by the same number of spaces. Let's do a couple of examples. First we have 0.001. We count 1, 2, 3 decimal places. Okay. Now in this one we're moving to the right. That means I'm going to go to the right 1, 2, 3 spaces, and so it's 2785. Not so bad, right? Let's try one more. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 decimal places, so we have to move to the right 5 spaces. However, I don't see a decimal point. No need to worry. Remember, it's actually all the way to the right. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means we need to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. So this problem, the answer looks like this. Let's give it some commas where they go. And that is our answer. So dividing by a power of 10 or by a power of 0.1 is a matter of remembering whether we move left or right. Just remember we move to the left when we divide by a big number, like the first few examples, or we move to the right when we divide by a small number, like the last few examples. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching.